Well, we did have a hint of snow out there late in the weekend, and it is just really kind of a dreary Monday morning out there. Temperatures just mild enough to keep the precipitation that's out there in the liquid variety. We've got some sprinkles, some showers around. If we get a closer look at what's going on, we've also got some visibility issues, but it's not much. You've got some patchy fog up around Flemingsburg and also down south into the mountains. That lower visibility in Harlan, that mountain fog is also related to where we've got some showers popping. So low cloud cover and showers out there, although they are very sparse. Sprinkles, isolated showers here in the bluegrass. You can see those moving east, and then a round of light rain across southeastern counties. So a wet start to your Monday morning for some. By later on today, the ripple of low pressure that's sparking this will be out of here, so it's mainly a morning issue for us. Snow over the Great Lakes, and then you drop down toward the Gulf Coast. The rain is more substantial. It goes all the way down through Atlanta, much of Georgia. The coastal Carolina is getting wet, coastal South Carolina and Georgia. Here's the setup at the surface. That ripple of low pressure pushes east, a hint of mixed precipitation into the mountains. Beyond that, extensive cloud cover hanging out across the Great Lakes right down here into the Commonwealth, but there isn't much happening until this low gets going toward midweek. This will spread some rain and snow shower chances primarily across southern counties. Looks like we're about to get hit. I think that low is going to dive a little farther south, and a lot of that precipitation will stay closer to the low, but we may have some active weather midweek. And if you're looking at stats, this has essentially been a snowless winter. We've had multiple reports of trace amounts of snowfall, but as far as measurable snowfall, haven't done it yet. We've had 1.8 inches of snow. That was all in the month of November. Since meteorological winter began December 1st through January 26th, we have had zip as far as measurable snowfall goes. 57 consecutive days without it. There are only 2 of those runs on record. This one we're in at the moment, and also 1931 through 1932. When you look at the totality of the season, though, we have never had a winter without measurable snowfall. We did end up picking up 1/10 of an inch in that 31-32 season. So something we've never done. We've got the rest of January, February to get through. So likely at some point we will pick up some snow. But so far, this winter has been a big time underperformer. As far as what's coming this week, well, we've had our second warmest winter on record. That trend does continue. We're going to stay on the mild side, right around or slightly above our average high. We're at 41 degrees now. That is our average high. So our overnight lows are staying pretty mild, at least for the time being. But we'll see these ups gradually getting a little higher as far as upping the temperature. Low to mid 40s, even pushing 50 into the weekend. So yeah, it's not tremendously above average, but we do see temperatures around or above average. No big cold snaps brewing. In fact, our next wave of active weather that we're going to talk about into the weekend, that could be rain or snow. That is a better chance than the midweek wave. Stick with us. LEX 18 News at Sunrise will continue.